This costs more than a used car, but the keyboard flex is embarrassing. You are paying $4,099 for a laptop that feels less rigid than a $1,200 gaming machine. The 18-inch mini-LED display is genuinely stunning. At 4K with 120Hz and 1000 nits HDR, it makes games and movies pop, and the 100% DCI P3 color accuracy is a boon for creators. I measured contrast that rivals OLED without the burn-in worry. Performance is a beast. The Intel Core Ultra 9 285HX paired with the RTX 5080 handled Cyberpunk 2077 at 4K with ray tracing at over 60 frames per second and 3D rendering in Blender was 25% faster than my desktop RTX 4080. The 64GB of DDR5 6400 MHz RAM and dual 2TB Gen 5/Gen 4 SSDs are overkill but future-proof. Connectivity is ahead of the curve with Thunderbolt 5, hitting 80 gigabits per second in my transfers, enough to move a 4K video project in seconds. The port selection includes 2 TB5, USB-A, HDMI 2.1, and even a 2.5G Ethernet, so you won't need a dongle. The per-key RGB keyboard is customizable to a fault, and the SteelSeries software is intuitive. It syncs with games for reactive lighting, and the 4-zone trackpad is a gimmick but fun. The speaker system is loud and clear, with no distortion at max volume. MSI's 3-year warranty is a rarity at this price point, and the 99.9 watt-hours battery lasts about 5 hours of light use, decent for a desktop replacement. The 4 terabytes total storage means you'll rarely touch an external drive. Here's what you get. Display. 18-inch UHD+, 3840 by 2400, 120Hz mini-LED HDR 1100% DCI, P3, graphics card, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5000 and 16GB GDDR7, and processor. Intel Core Ultra 9 285HX 24 cores, 2.1 GHz 5.5 GHz, 36 MB Intel Smart Cache. The build quality is a letdown. The keyboard deck flexes noticeably under pressure, and the lid twists more than a $600 laptop. For $4,099, I expect unibody rigidity, not creaks when I type. The RTX 5080, while fast, is only a modest jump over the previous 4080, about 15% in raw frames. You're paying a huge premium for the 50 series badge, and a cheaper RTX 4090 laptop often matches or beats it. Fan noise is jet engine loud under load, hitting 55 decibels in my tests. You'll need headphones for gaming, and the heat vents blow directly onto your hands, making long sessions uncomfortable. The price, $4,099, is absurd for what you get. You could buy a top-tier RTX 4090 laptop with a better build, like the Razer Blade 18, for $500 less, and the Titan's only real advantage is the display. The Titan 18HX is a performance monster with a gorgeous screen, but its flimsy build and inflated price undercut its flagship status. If you need the 4K mini-LED and don't mind noise, it's worth it. Otherwise, wait for a sale or look at the Razer Blade 18. Check the current price and alternatives in the link below, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.